Okay, here we are. This is my daughter Cadence. Yep, we've got the project truck. Come across this on Marketplace. Perfect. 1500 HD. That gives us the 3/4 ton axles, big brakes. We're going to turbocharge this thing, and we'll have a lot of fun with it, aren't we, Cadence?
Yeah, I'm ready.
She's hyped. She's drugged me into this, guys. She's brought me back in. But anyway, here we are. We sat over lunch today. We're looking over some wheels. This is going to be a lot of fun. What do we got here? What kind of vehicle is this?
So we're looking at what I call a bug eye, and you know, she got some dings in her. Had a trailer at home. She got a broke transmission, some high oil pressure, and some ball tires. And we're about to get this thing fixed up.
We don't need them tires anyway.
We don't need them.
Don't need them. We don't need the trans. We got a trans. We got a motor. We got a turbo. We just need something to put it in. And there it is. It's on the trailer. What are we going to do with this thing first? We're going to get it washed off. While it's on the trailer, we're going to do some pressure washing underneath. I mean, this thing's going to be fun. We're going to get it on the street. We're going to have some fun with it. But we're going to make it look good too, guys. Follow us along on this little build. And we'll have a blast.
Oh, follow the socials.
Follow us on everything. Instagram, Facebook, all that mess.
So, yeah.
Let's get to work. Let's go. All right, everybody. We're back in the shop today. A little rainy outside. I got some farm chores to do, but it's a little wet and rainy. So we're going to get going on this project with this 6.0 2500 truck or 1500 truck. And first step, I always wash everything. It's how I was grown up in the automotive industry, body business. Clean the truck. The cleaner the product comes into your shop, the cleaner it'll go out. It's always the mindset. So I'm going to shoot a little video washing this thing. I mean, we're going to get aggressive with it. It's an older truck, farm truck. We're going to wash this thing out big time, get it ready to come in the shop. All right, I'm out here. We're going to wash this thing before we take it in the shop. I've got some high, I guess it's a base or a degreaser, like a concentrate white wall. We're going to wash the whole truck in it. It's white, so I can get away with that. We're not worried about stripping wax because we're going to come back. We're going to buff this thing at the end, wax it, ceramic coat it, the whole 9 yards. A little bit of foaming engine degreaser for the engine bay. One of these is great to apply something like this for the whole vehicle. You foam it. Works like a foamer on your pressure washer, but it worked right off a garden hose. I think it's like 14 bucks at the Tractor Supply. Check your farm store, Roll King, whatever you got, Fleet Pride, wherever you're at. Anyway, let's get started and get this baby cleaned up. All right, I got this engine all foamed. 2 cans did it really good. If you're doing it at home on a truck, you're not painting and not replacing these. We're going to replace these. I didn't worry too much about getting it on there. I don't think it would hurt it, but I would make sure you're using that degreaser. Keep it off your fenders because it'll eat the wax off. But again, we're going to re-wax and ceramic coat this truck. All right, guys, I want to show you something real quick too as we get this project started. I always like to do a whiteboard. It helps me keep organized with these projects, especially a project as big as this truck. In order to see, you know, I label it project family ties, what we're going to try to achieve horsepower wise, what we want to do, what needs to be fixed, what needs to be replaced, and what we want to do. It just makes it a whole lot easier in one of these projects to, I've told you, to be clean, also be organized. That helps a lot in what you got going. Also, I actually keep all my projects, whether they're personal or doing them for somebody, which now they're all personal, but I keep a time list, a price list. I know what I've got in this truck, what I'll have in it at the end. I always do that because there's a lot of times where you're like, man, what did I spend on that? Or how much I actually got in this project? Or what do I need to do next on this project? This right here will save you a ton of time running around crazy, doing stuff out of order, or forgetting to do stuff and having to go back to do it. All right, as I end with some still pictures of this project, if you could like, subscribe so you can follow along on this project. We're going to learn a lot. I try to point out different things that I do and different tricks that I've picked up over my years of building projects, and also the cool factor. And look forward to hearing from you guys. what you think and what your ideas are. Like I said, like and subscribe.
Blood, sweat, and tears into this. So
Look,
far.
I push that weight to get that dough, but I don't break cause I've been broke. If ain't no pain, then